Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking research that could change the lives of millions of people dealing with paralysis. Imagine a future where spinal cord injuries can be repaired using tiny, lab-grown spinal cords. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's becoming a reality. Scientists at the University of Minnesota have made a remarkable breakthrough by combining three innovative technologies: 3D printing, stem cell biology, and lab-grown tissues. Their goal? To find a way to repair severed spinal cords and restore movement. This is especially important given that more than 300,000 people in the United States are living with spinal cord injuries, and current treatments simply can't reverse the damage. So, how does this work? The researchers have designed a special structure known as an organoid scaffold. Picture it as a tiny framework filled with microscopic channels that are perfect for guiding stem cells. These stem cells, which are derived from human adult tissues, have the incredible ability to develop into specific types of nerve cells. When scientists implant these scaffolds into a severed spinal cord in rats, something amazing happens. The stem cells begin to grow and differentiate into neurons, extending their nerve fibers across the injury site. This process forms new connections, allowing the rats to regain movement in their limbs. That's right, these little scaffolds are acting like highways for nerve fibers, bridging the gap where the spinal cord has been damaged. Did you know that some animals, like zebrafish and axolotls, can regenerate their spinal cords naturally? These creatures have inspired researchers to unlock similar abilities in humans. While we're not quite there yet, this research is a huge step forward. As Ann Parr, a leading researcher on the project, said, "This work marks a new era in spinal cord injury research. The team is excited to explore how these mini spinal cords can lead to real-life treatments. And who knows? In the near future, we might see people walking again after severe injuries." If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in science and health. Let's hope for a future where healing is truly within reach.